In-N-Out closes in 13 minutes, but it's only 8 minutes away. So we should be okay. We should be okay. I tried changing this to orange, but it looks kind of ass, I'm not gonna lie. I think we're going back to the... Let's go green. Let's go green for today. Not sure if it sounds better with the windows up or down. I can never really tell. You guys gotta let me know. So I guess this is windows closed. Windows open. Windows opens better, but you can also hear the wind coming in, so it's like it's a less clean audio, but it's also you can hear the car more. I don't know. We are gonna go under a tunnel though, so that's fun. Security? What's good? Hell yeah, let's do it. Have a good one, bro. Oh wait, the tunnel's right here. I'm about to bust, I'm about to bust.
you doing?
I'm good, how are you?
Hello, how are you doing?
I'm good, how are you?
Good, thank you. What can I get for you today?
Can I do a number 1 combo, please? Grilled onions and chopped chilies on that as well, protein style. Pink lemonade for the drink. Can I get some extra chopped chilies on the side? Thank you. Check it out, I got a In-N-Out gift card. Yeah.
Or you have the cheeseburger fry and the pink lemonade.
I don't know how much is on there.
64 cents.
Oh, cool. Thank you. Oh, someone showed up after me. I don't feel the worst anymore. I did work at fast food for a few years. I worked at a Popeyes for a fat minute. And honestly, it'd just be super easy when people came in at night. I would just give them like all of the chicken, all of the biscuits.
Here it is.
Thank you.
Did you need any ketchup on the side for your fries?
Can I get some?
Of course. You are. Thank you so much for waiting.
Appreciate you. Thank you.
Here.
Appreciate it.
For waiting.
Have a good one.
Take care.
Dude, I don't know what it is about California drive-thrus, but hang on, take a peek at this. I mean, damn, you know? I can't imagine the amount of Karens that just absolutely scrape their rims on those drive-thrus. Gotta find a place to take a thumbnail. These fries are so mid, dude. How is that even possible? The burger's amazing. We gotta make the light, gotta make the light. Gotta go into sport mode. Yeah, we're moving, man. Oh my, I just went airborne for sure. I haven't seen a Hummer in forever, dude. That was an old school one too. That's dope. Come on, man. Okay, I guess not. His light's green, right? Yeah, his light is green. What? Oh, the close one. Yeah. We'll be chill with this one. Oh, another car alarm went off. Wow. Oh my, yo. Oh, he launched it. He's zooming. It's a lot of fun right there. It's gonna be it for me. Thanks for coming with me to get some in and out. I'm gonna enjoy this burger, and I hope you all have a fantastic rest of your night. Stay safe out there. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe if you're new. All that. Let's do one last poll. One final poll. Yes. Thanks. Too much fun. Peace. Have a good one.